So, for my 50th birthday, we're headed to Vegas. Let's get packing. So I got a mess right now. I have 3 suitcases. I've been packing all day and still don't have everything packed. I don't know what to take. This cat's been in the suitcases more than the clothes have been. It's really stressful to think of what you're gonna wear on 5 different days when a girl just doesn't even know what she's gonna wear on one day. Alright, so I just got, I think 90% of my stuff packed. My clothes is on this side and he's working on his clothes. He said he's done. I could have the rest of the suitcase, but I figured he's just kidding. I don't need the rest of it anyhow. So we're still packing, and little Miss Bella thinks that she needs to go along. She's trying to find her spot.
Come on, I got you a little spot.
There's a little spot right there for you, Bella.
Come on. Oh, look.
Look, you could get right there and you can go. That a girl.
Come on.
You're going to Vegas, baby. Get in there.
I gotta zip you in.
We'll put some air holes in it for you. It'll be fine. What is all this stuff? Uh-oh, Bella, you got locked out of your spot? What happened?
Alright. Yep, come on, close it.
I'm ready, she says. Are you ready? Are you ready to go to Vegas? Are you ready, Bella? We still got these suitcases we don't have stuff in, might have stuff in, we're not really sure. Oh, that's your suitcase. That's why we didn't pack anything in that one. Packing to go to Vegas. 50 years old I'm gonna be. And this cat says we either can't go or she has to go with us. She's all cute and shit. Look at her. You're so pretty in there. You look mangry. Are you angry that we're leaving? Ugh. Here we are. We're in line. We got our tickets. So at the TSA standard screening and our gate. We're headed to Vegas, baby. Are you excited? On the border. Is it to hold your hand?
Because I got this pink bag.
With those little black kitty cats on it. It's really cute. So we're pretty early and we're just gonna wait and grab something to eat before we go to our gate. We already found where our gate is. And now we're just waiting to eat. Alright, little Mexican place. We got some Coronas coming so we can chill out. If I drink that and I eat, then I probably will take a little nap on the plane. What do you think about that? I probably will. Alright, so some starters and borders and bites, favorites, tacos, desserts, margaritas and wines.
And are you ready?
Oh, this guy. Oh, there's. Cool. Thank you.
Of course. Enjoy.
Thank you. In the little bar area. We got some Coronas with some limes and some salsa and chips. Chips are super salty. I'm guessing they just want you to, if they make them really salty like that, you'll drink more.
Yep. That's the idea.
I had a brisket taco and a Southwest taco and fries. And he got the same thing, but he got the rice and beans. Say what?
What are you talking about? I'm gonna freeze on the plane?
Oh. Do you know where you're going?
22.
Okay. Now,
I don't know what really happened either. All I know is I looked up there. We were like going, like, where are you? Of course, I got your phone. I couldn't call you.
Now it's just nothing shocks me anymore. I mean, our highways up where we were at were 2 lanes each way at the most. Get here, like the most highway, 3 or 4 lanes going either way.
Yeah, I know where I live. 95 is fine on either side.
Oh, wow.
They put in a couple express lanes. You can go in on the express lane.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I haven't been down. That's last place I was at down there was like Holland.
Yeah.
One of my distributors is down that way because I started a locksmith business with my second girl. And I went down there to see one of the distributors and I was like shocked at how crazy it was to go there.
we're going up.
Yeah. There we go.
Holy.
That's Broward County. And I drove with my mother-in-law. She's from
They shocked me. One time I was driving down there, like a bunch of race and well, yeah, like Matador, Rockfall, all these big cop cars around me. Yeah, pulled over like everywhere. I know I was gonna pull over and stop, and they said they were some kind of roving. What the heck do they call them? Roving speed checkers.
It's allowed to be in airplane mode or completely powered down. It finally is not bumpy lumpy. It was really bumpy in the beginning. It was finally are not chewing and jolting all over the place. Look at all these circles down here. I don't know what they are. Look at them. Only like halfway through our trip and I'm ready to get off this plane. I cannot sit this long. I can't stand this long either. But this is too much. It's too crowded. I can't stretch my legs. 30 minutes to land, and all I see is dirt and clouds. But I'm gonna make it, and we're gonna be in Vegas, baby. Howdy. Look at that big thing over there. You almost there. How about that?
You saw some ears point out.
Oh, nothing but desert. Desert. Mountains, craters, and holes.
Nothing's out there to
That
Mesa.
must be bench.
Nothing's out to Mesa.
Somewhere over there is gonna be the
Up above.
shoe.
We're so
Horseshoe.
close.
not so expensive. You ever just have.
I gotta wait for it to tell me that it's on.
What's up, man? I'm gonna call you when we get to the hotel.
Alright, we made it to the Vegas airport. Gotta find our bags. Everything's here. I want, wow, Willy Wonka. Ouch, I just rolled over my toes.
Rolled over your toes?
Yeah. Oh, here we are, and still no bags. I'm ready to go. I sat on that plane long enough. I got,
Shot.
yeah. And this little thing isn't even going yet. Alright, here we go. We got our luggage. We got our driver. That's just really what I'm driving in. Holy heck. Oh, nope. Now we're next Excalibur and stuff.
I didn't think we were too far from Mandalay Bay.
How thick is the glass?
Oh, it's really thick. I mean, they don't let you walk with your own shoes. They
Oh,
give you,
special shoes.
yeah. And you walk, I mean, it's really nice. Then you see the whole, view.
Mandalay Bay is like gold.
I see that.
Don't worry, nothing happened. Believe me. Trust me, nothing happened. You can walk just like here. Think about walking just
Right?
this area. Nothing. Roads.
It's a castle.
Long roads sometimes.
That's a
Little towns.
Well, one
It's
of those
okay.
is Luxor.
It's
and one
okay.
of those is-
Actually, you can enjoy driving over there. It's like 2 hours away from here.
That's where I want to go, the Hershey World. I want to walk down there. In this M&M world.
You're gonna be in the center.
Yes.
Center.
Oh, that's one of the places you want to go, the M&M place.
Yep, the M&M place, Hershey World.
There's a Ross and a Dennis.
Coca-Cola. That's it. I'm just ready to get something to drink. The crack shack. Alrighty.
Stop by there and find some more workers from home.
See, like right there's CVS, and I think we're right there. Yep. See? I said we were right next to it. One of them.
Dolce and Gabbana and Gucci. I mean, I have no interest in that brand name stuff.
Right.
I bet that's a cool place to